Hey, it's Stefan here, and I'm going to show you exactly how my partner Greg and I found a completely new way of getting 100% free traffic, and how it worked incredibly well, turning an easy effort into 30,000 plus visitors every single month. The best part? We've had consistent, passive, free traffic and income ever since. And we did it without any SEO, spending a single dollar for traffic, and without relying on affiliates and giving up 50% of our profits in the process. And instead of filling this video up with fluff and hype, we're going to share facts and results because that's what we believe in. So by now you're probably asking yourself how we were able to get such fast free traffic without SEO and without paying for it, and how you can tap in right now to flood your landing pages, e-com stores, affiliate offers, product pages with rapid free traffic while building your list fast in the process. Just what are we doing differently than the thousands of marketers out there who are watching their businesses fail due to lack of consistent, easy traffic? Well, there's two things. One, we focused on free and reliable traffic, and we use it in a special way that allows us to consistently get visitors every single day without continued manual work. The other thing we do is we scale. The beauty of this method is there is no limit to how much traffic you can get, and it works in virtually any niche. After getting your first visitors, which should be pretty easy, simply scale up the method and get up to 30,000 plus visitors every single month. Some days we even get up to 20,000 plus visitors in a single day. These strategies are completely legal and ethical and so dummy-proof that anyone can do it. And we'll show you everything inside Traffic Rebirth, how to build these passive traffic machines. Traffic Rebirth will not only reveal how we leverage the power of free, easy traffic to drive income every single day, but we'll also show you how to automate this entire process so you can let the traffic gods do all the work for you. You'll know which niche to enter. You'll know how to set up your free traffic. You'll even know how to keep the visitors scaling as much as you want without spending a single penny on your visitors. Imagine having a powerful, consistent free traffic method in your back pocket so you can start driving 30,000 visitors every single month while others will continue to struggle. And imagine making over $5,000 from a single site with AdSense alone. Knowing good and well you can create as many of these passive, free traffic money sites as you want. These kinds of results are absolutely possible. Now imagine scaling and having 30,000 eyeballs on your affiliate offers, e-com stores, AdSense sites, squeeze pages, and anywhere else every single month. That's what's possible when you use the strategies that we teach. We're consistently getting free, targeted traffic and income every day with our method. Now you can do the same, finally breaking free from the failed traffic methods that the experts are teaching you. With all of the other traffic methods out there failing, you simply can't afford to fall behind. You need to know what's working now. So if you're curious at all about the new way of getting free traffic to generate the type of income you've always wanted, then it only makes sense to try out Traffic Rebirth risk-free at the low introductory price available right now. In the time you spent thinking about it, you could have already went through the training inside of Traffic Rebirth and built your free traffic empire. Wouldn't it be nice to finally have the free traffic you need to get the results you've always wanted? Of course it would. So scroll down below this video and make the wise choice of trying out Traffic Rebirth. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We can't wait to hear about your results.